Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off TalkBack. You can see TalkBack has been enabled on this mobile phone. I will show you how to turn off. First go to settings. Double tap on the settings app icon. Then double tap on the search button. Then here we have to type TalkBack. Then select TalkBack, tap here. Then double tap to select. Then again double tap on this TalkBack. Double tap. So here we can see on off button. Tap on this button, then double tap to turn off. Let me try one more time. Then tap on turn off, then double tap. Done. So this way we can turn off TalkBack. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.